Good morning, students. Welcome to the second class of tables and shades. In the
Good
last
morning, sir.
discussed about these tables and shades, multiplications, counting, everything was discussed in detail. The remaining topic we are going to complete today. Okay. What we are going to learn today? See,
e-learning time, password के e-learning 202021. I make my hybrid.
today what we are going to learn? Just look here. See, there are this box. Two students are there in the box. Two symbols. This indicates two students. Like this, there are three groups. Three groups. Each group has two students. Total how many students? How to answer this? You can answer this in two ways. One is using addition, one is using multiplication. Count 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Each group, two students. So, two students, two students, two students, 6 students are there. 6 students are there. This is the one way of giving answer. Or there are 3 groups. Each group has 2 children. So 3 groups. Each group has 2 children. So 3 2 is 6. So you can give the answer in 2 different ways. Using addition, using multiplication. Multiplication will save our time, easy to understand, easy to give the answer when compared to addition. So when the grouping is done, generally this we use in grouping. When you suppose, for example, you are going for a function and you order some sweets and you pack the sweets like boxes. 4 boxes are packed. Each pack has 10 sweets. Each pack has 10 sweets. Each box has 10 sweets. Each box has 10 sweets. There are 4 such boxes. Total how many sweets are there? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Counting addition can be done. Or 4 boxes, each box 10. So 40 sweets are there. So grouping, when you group things, then counting can be done with the help of addition, with the help of multiplication also. These examples I think clear to you. Based on these examples, I am going to share one worksheet. Read the worksheet, give the answer. I will share the worksheet through WhatsApp. That worksheet you have to write in the notebook. Not now. Now just give the answer. I will share the worksheet to WhatsApp that you have to copy in the classroom. Got my point? Okay. Fill the first blank by counting the number of objects in one group, second blank by the number of groups, and also fill the last blank by counting the total number of objects. Here, first blank. In each box, 2 leaves are there or 2 flowers, whatever it may be. So in each box, 2 things are there. How many groups are there? 3 groups are there. So the answer is this. You got my point? Now, without making noise, without disturbing, please keep trying. Who is that idiot shouting good morning after the class 10 minutes? No need to say good morning, just do that in chat box.
We have to write this.
Ah,
This 4. Sir, we have to write this 4.
again, you are shouting. I have told you clearly, just give the answers. Just try and give the answer. The worksheet I will share afterwards. You have to do this in the classwork. Now just give the answers. First question I did for you. Try the second question, give the answer. No need to shout. I have told you not to disturb my class. Not to say good morning, good afternoon. That you have to take before 10 o'clock. Once class started, you have to maintain silence. Mr. Vishwanath, what the drama you are doing? Huh? What the acting you are doing there? Concentrate in the class or start doing the problems. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. Okay. In the second question, there are 2 groups are there. Each group has 5 elements. I think they are strawberries. 5 strawberries are there. So 5 strawberries are there. 2 groups are there. 5 strawberries into 2 groups will be 10. Five strawberries in 2 groups. Third one.
2 is 10. The first,
5 twos are 10, sir.
first one is 2 3s are 10. 2 3s are 6.
3 butterflies are there in 2 groups.
2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, sir. 2 3s are 6.
D1 to 10 that 20.
2 3s are 6.
5 4s are 20, sir.
5 4 the 20, sir. 2
5,
10s are 20 also, sir.
5 tortoise. Each there are
2 10s are 20.
1 2 3 4 5 6
2 10s are 24.
5 10s are 5 4s are 20, sir.
So 5 4s are 20, sir.
10s are 20.
Sir, last question is 5 4s are 20.
Number of groups 3. 2 21.
I told you to maintain silence, but some parents are making noise, they're disturbing my class. Gurudeep, concentrate in the class. Shivashai, what are you doing? Try solving the questions. Your first question is completed. Shall I move to the second one?
sir.
Find the total number of objects in each picture. 3 groups are there.
Yes.
Each group contains
7.
7 donuts. Donuts is the item you know very well because you eat. Many people like it.
The number of donuts are 7 multiplied by 3 is equals to 21.
Three groups are there. 3 groups are there. Each group has 7. 21 is the answer. 3 groups are there. Each has 7. Next, apples. 4 plates are there. Number of plates are 4. Each plate has 5 apples. There should be number of apples, not donuts. Done. Here we are doing with the help of addition and multiplication both. Okay. If you look at this, in the first row, there are 4 colors. Next row, 4 colors. Last row, also 4 colors. So there are 3 rows are there. Total number of colors. When the question comes about total number of colors, 4 colors, 4 colors, 4 colors, total 12 colors. When you go for multiplication, 3 rows are there. 3 rows are there. Each row 4 colors. 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows are there. In each row you have 4 colors. So 3, 4 is 12. You can do the counting. Final counting can be done using addition, multiplication, but multiplication is very easy. What about the next one? 3 rows. Three rows are there. Each row 5 stars are there. So total 15 stars. Otherwise 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 15 stars. That also can be done. Try the third one, give the answer one by one, don't shout.
Sir.
These colors. 3 rows are there. Each row
3 rows.
3
threes are
3 threes and 9.
3 threes and 9, sir.
3 plus 3 plus 3 9. Sir, 3 plus 3 plus
Sir,
3
3
is
rows.
equal to 9.
3 dots.
2 4 2 4 are 8.
4 to 9. Colors is
4,
5.
2 4 is 8.
Sir, 2 4s are 8. Sir, 4 plus 4
So the cookies is 2 and 4.
4
Total
plus
8.
can be
2
done,
4 is 8.
or 2 into 4 also can be done.
4 8.
Sir, 5 5 is 25.
Huh?
Sir, finish.
There are 12 eggs in total. If each rabbit has 4 legs, how many rabbits are there?
This is 20 legs, not 21. 20 legs.
Okay. There are 20 legs in total. Each rabbit has 4 legs. How many rabbits
Total.
are there?
If has 4, how many rabbits? 5 rabbits.
This is 20 legs, not 21.
There are 5 rabbits.
20 legs. Total,
to
each
side.
rabbit has 4 legs.
So,
4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 16, 4 5 is 20.
That's 4 legs. You can do like this.
5. Sir,
5 rabbits.
5, sir.
Sir, 5
One rabbit,
rabbits are
2 rabbits,
One rabbit has 4 legs. How many rabbits?
how many
Sir, 4?
pencils will
you can do like this. 1 rabbit, 4 legs, 2 8 legs, 3 12, 4 16, 5 20. So 20 legs means 5 rabbits. This one way of doing. Otherwise, you can go for division. 20 legs are there. Each rabbit will have 4 legs. So 20 divided by 4 will also give the answer. 20 divided by 4 means you have to think about 4 tables. In 4 table, when you will get 20. If you are good at tables, then easily you can answer. 4, 5, 20. So the answer will be 5 rabbits are there. Instead of doing like this, 1 rabbit, 2 rabbit, 3, so it takes a lot of time. Instead of that, division will be very easy for you. Division you can do only when you know the multiplications. Each box has 56 pencils. There are 6 boxes. So total how many will be? Total number of pencils. Yes.
the answer is 336. 336, sir. Fifth question.
50.
Sir, 330. Second question.
You have to go for multiplication. 56.
So second one is pencil 1.
336. Multiplication already we did many number of times. This is just a good revision of that. All you have 9 boxes of sweets. Each box has 22 sweets. 22 sweets are there. 9 such boxes are there. There are 22 sweets in one box, 9 such boxes. So 22 into 9.
It's
Okay.
కాదు వెనకాల
Maintain silence. Just give the answer and then mute yourself. Otherwise, by force, I have to mute all of you. Seventh one.
Sir, can I do?
Seventh question. Here are
Neuroplans. Sapling done roast. How many sapling are there in each row? There are
198. Question 198, sir.
Then five plants, sir. Sir, five plants.
okay. It is number of
10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. 5. So 5, sir.
I thought total number. Total number already given as 50. 10 rows are there.
Sir, 10 5s are 50.
50. So 10 5 is 50.
The answer is 5.
Five,
10 rows, 10 rows. You can verify with the multiple.
wait.
There are 700 bricks.
4 into 4.
There are 700 bricks in the truck. Sarah found the weight of a brick is 3 kgs. What will be the weight of the all bricks? Each brick 3 kgs. Total number of bricks 700. So total weight will be 700 into 3. 700 into 3. Each brick of weight 3 kilos. So total weight will be 700 into 3.
$21,000.
Done. Done. These are the problems on multiplication. Look at this.
Oranges in each basket.
We have to distribute 30 oranges equally into 3 boxes. So 30 oranges should be distributed equally into 3. when you are distributing, means division, 30 divided by 3, that will be 10 in each box. You will get 10 in each box.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం అక్క మనము అన్మ్యూట్ అలా చేసి పెట్టు
Talking there. What about this? This one. These are the questions on the last worksheet. Mokshita, you can talk now. Unmute yourself and talk.
Sir, 10, sir. In each basket, 10 oranges,
That is
sir.
over. That is over. That is over. This question I'm asking. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. How many weeks she was away from school?
Okay, sir. 20. Sir, 3 weeks.
Sharon, you can answer, ma. Unmute yourself and answer.
Sir, 3 weeks, sir. 3
Sir,
weeks.
3 weeks, sir. 3 weeks.
21 days she was absent. She was absent for 21 days. One should have an idea how many days per week.
Sir, 7. Sir, 7, 3,
Sir,
21.
3 weeks, sir.
Sir, 3
3
weeks,
weeks.
sir.
1 week means
7 is a 20.
7, 3 is 21, sir.
3 weeks.
So 7, 3 is 21. The answer is 3 weeks.
Yes, sir. Seventeen, 21. How many?
This is a little typical tricky question. You have to use your brains if you have the brains. Use it and give the
He
answer.
wants to.
How many notes?
How many notes you will get if you go?
If you want 100 rupees change, all 50 notes, she needs 2 notes.
How many notes will this?
Anu wants
Total
change for
amount is 50 rupees.
rupees 100. How many notes you
Amount is 100 rupees.
How?
100 rupees.
get if she wants change?
50 rupees.
And please not
Sir, 5.
100 divided by 50.
Sir. 100
150 kilos.
50.
all 20 rupees notes, 5.
See,
0.
one note, it is 50 rupees. Two such notes are there. 50 plus 50
5, 0.
become 100.
Sir,
100
sir,
divided by 50 is equals
It will become 100 rupees.
add 100 to 10.
Next.
Sir, 20. Sir, 20.
100 rupees divided by 10 rupee notes. 100 rupees
Okay.
divided by 20 rupee notes. 100 rupees divided by 5 rupee notes.
Sir, first one 10 tens are 100, sir.
Answer carefully.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. 20.
Arna, correct.
3. No.
Arna, your answer is correct.
Sir, answer. Not
Artika,
sir 20.
Vishwanath, concentrate in the class. You're talking to others there.
Sir 20.
Concentrate in the class. Give the answers. What you are doing? Talking with others at home.
Sir 20.
What is this?
Sir 20. Sir 20.
Which one? 20. Morka, Dipanshu. You can give the answer.
Sir, 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10.
Yes, exactly. That's correct. Next one. 20 rupee notes. How many 20 rupee notes will make 100?
Okay.
How many 20 rupee notes will make 100? 100 divided by 20. So think. 1
20, sir. 100 divided by 20 is 20. 100 divided by 20 is equals to 5.
Yes, 5 is the right one. How 5? That I am explaining. 2 20 rupee notes will become 40. If 3 are there,
Sir, 5.
4 are there, 80. 5 means 100.
Okay. Sir, 5
Sir,
rupee note.
100 divided.
5 also.
Guys, next,
Division.
the next answer 5 rupees.
100 5 rupees 20
This 20. Same we have 20 into 5, 5 into 20. The same thing. 20 rupee notes 5 needed. 5 rupee notes 20 needed. This worksheet already I shared earlier. So these sharing distribution questions you might have not done. So whatever you have done, find the remaining questions, please complete in the classwork. Along with that, this worksheet also I am going to share today. I will share this worksheet today by afternoon because some corrections are there, that corrections has to be done. And complete this worksheet also in the classwork. You are getting 2 days holidays, so don't waste your time. Sit and complete the worksheet. By Sunday evening, I want all of you to send this. The screenshot of this you have to send to me, WhatsApp or mail ID. Okay. Winter holiday homework I have given, but out of 2 sections, I got only 10 or 11 responses. Those you have not submitted, I will make the list. I will put the list in the group. Okay. So that's all for today class. Tables and shade chapter completed. I will share the worksheet. Complete the worksheet. These 2 days, don't waste your time. Complete the worksheet. And whenever you have the time, please keep practicing the tables. Tables are very important for calculations. I need all the students to learn the tables 1 to 20 compulsory. Okay. See. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you for the present.
Bye, sir. Thanks. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.